Turn it up!
I can't. Oh shit! Keep shooting! Don't stop shooting!
I can't hear anything!
Why is someone helping me? Keep me up there.
Is that a chainsaw? I hear a chainsaw now!
Yeah, I've got a chainsaw.
Oh, that's really cool. You did pretty good.
Is there something better than a chainsaw that would be recommended?
Shovel
goes hard.
Oh,
Shovel?
okay.
Actually? Or?
Yeah, no,
It's just quick. Fucking.
Don't even say anything.
Wait. He's using a chainsaw.
I have no idea.
I thought he was a psycho. What was he?
He is a psycho.
Psycho gets chainsaw.
He has a single hand.
Dude,
Oh
who
shit!
the fuck is? Who's the brain guy?
That's him.
That's him. He's a psycho.
With a chainsaw?
Yeah, the single handed one.
Nah, bro.
The other day.
Shit, it's Link. Help.
Yeah, I'll shut the game. I'm not near you. Oh, dude, he finally left. Holy shit. He just rage quit.
Good.
Oh my goodness, that was so painful.
I felt bad after he owned that, because then he turned his TV up
Yeah.
like 500%. What are you drinking, Will? Woodstock?
Is he broken my audio? What is the in-game audio sound?
Is that
Trash.
Will now?
Is that Will? The in-game audio is broken.
In my message.
Test?
Did he just rejoin? Bro, he just rejoined.
Oh shit.
Rejoining.
Welcome back. We almost missed you.
Welcome back. I got booted because my net sucks. Australia's
that's okay.
internet sucks.
We need your help.
Fuck, I wish he got booted into a graveyard. Under.
Shit. I thought that was the game glitching, but it was just him joking.
Same.
What the hell?
If you hit options and go social, it'll tell
I
you
know.
even before the
Holy crap. It's so bad.
Bro, there's something else you like, man.
No, nothing's wrong. Still make it right.
Where is it? Dude, I'm trying to push it.
I can't hear the game. I don't know which. I can't tell if that's Holy crap. I can't tell what's Yes, he just had to speak to him. He had to turn on his mic.
Do you play Veteran a lot?
Yeah.
Alright,
Veteran was my main.
I'll say, issue is, you got chainsaw and a las gun. Yeah. You're trying to play psycho like a veteran. So I recommend a dueling sword. Okay. Go dueling sword. Very high DPS and it's easy to use. And just any of the staves like a light really.
Okay.
And go dome shield. Dome shield's really good. It's good for the team. It's that dome shield. Range enemies can't shoot you. That's fucking really good.
7-5.
I think I've got dome shield. Shit. Alright, I think I'm about to be better for the match again because my internet shit.
He's disconnected. He's still talking. He's not even in the game
He's
anymore.
alright. He's asking questions.
Yeah.
He knows he's like not great. I like this.
Yeah.
What if he comes back like 2 months later and he's like, yeah, no,
he has a good
I defeated Nurgle and I bought a new headset.
No, he's making it even worse.
Oh, Nurgle's headset.
Oh shit, I think he's back. I think he's back.
Yes, he is. He had a bot back, yeah.
He teleports. I pick it up. Oh my goodness, what is that? How does he even make those noises?
That's his chainsaw, bro.
Is it? Shit. Doesn't even sound like a chainsaw to me. It sounds like he's on a long hallway. It's so distorted. That's the word. Everything's distorted. You might. Quickly help him!
Oh,
Get a man down!
I just let him die, whoever aggro's on. I've been
It's
stuck
me.
up here.
No, I'm good, I got the aggro. She can't hit me for some reason. I'm like in a corner, she hits me like every so often.
Alright, go get him, go get him.
Does anyone know of a weakness to those demon hosts, or is it
Shield.
just avoid them at all costs?
Shield and stagger.
Shield and stagger.
We should just tell him the opposite. Like, yeah,
Yeah.
you just need just you have to go invisible, mate. Like,
Oh yeah, yeah. That used to work, it's pretty good when it used to work. Dude, he's gone. She also despawned. There's not enough players.
good.
I want to fight her. I'm back with them all. You think he's gonna come back?
Of course.
I don't know why I'm being
Oh, hey,
kicked
welcome
out
back.
so often. I'm back. This is the first match that I've ever played in all of the time that I've played this game that anyone else has a mic.
Really? Really? That's weird.
That's weird. Actually, I've never heard anyone else talking on this game ever.
Well,
I
well,
didn't
you
even know
know.
it was possible.
Faggot as well.
Yeah, that's a good start.
I'm on the Xbox. Like,
Yeah,
so
we're on
it shows
PC, it's
that
probably why.
cross compatible.
Yeah, I know.
I'm genuinely surprised by that though. I heard people talking and I'm like, what? Surely not.
He didn't know what I was saying.
Okay, he missed what you said.
Explains why he was so nice, because he must have heard like this muffled talking.
Did you not have your headset on when we first spoke?
No, I did. In this
Okay.
match,
I guess he maybe heard you.
just I think I misheard at first. I was like, nah, surely that wasn't what I thought it was. I just kept going.
It's like a faggot.
Yeah, I think you heard it.
My internet is just obscenely bad.